You can expect a lot from the 2020 Nissan Rogue. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, lane departure warning, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.